Hey everyone, welcome back. We've got something exciting to share today. Amazon Prime Big Deal Days 2025 are happening on October 7th and 8th, and it's already shaping up to be one of the biggest shopping events of the year. The best part, we don't even have to wait until the official dates. Amazon has already started rolling out some awesome early deals across tech, home, fashion, and more. In this video, we'll take you through 30 of the best early deals available right now, giving you the old price, the new price, and why each one is worth checking out. Let's get started. Apple AirPods Pro 2, new $199, old $249. Apple's flagship earbuds bring world-class noise cancellation, clear call quality, and immersive spatial audio. With a switch to USB-C, they're easier to charge alongside your iPhone, a great pick for commuting, workouts, or daily listening. And this price drop makes them hard to ignore. Samsung 55-inch The Frame Smart TV, new $1,198, old $1,498. This TV doubles as wall art when not in use, displaying customizable artwork or photos. Beyond its style, it delivers bright 4K QLED visuals with HDR support. If you want entertainment tech that looks just as good switched off as it does on, this is the deal. Shark Power Detect 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop, new $395, old $1,000. Designed to vacuum and mop floors in one pass, this Shark robot handles daily messes without your help. It empties its own bin and even cleans its mop pads. A massive discount makes this premium model accessible for anyone looking to truly automate cleaning at home. Hover Air X1 Self-Flying Drone, new $279, old $399. At just 125 grams, this pocket-sized drone packs advanced tracking and 2.7K video recording. It launches easily, follows you hands-free, and lands safely without fuss. Ideal for travel vlogs, biking, or outdoor adventures, it's an affordable way to capture cinematic content on the go. Dyson Airstraight Straightener, new $475, old $550. Dyson's innovative straightener uses air instead of plates to smooth and style hair, reducing heat damage. Sleek and fast, it delivers salon-quality results at home. With its high demand and premium build, catching it at a discount is rare, a smart time to invest. DeWalt 20-volt Max 9 Tool Combo Kit, new $699, old $949. A complete toolkit featuring drills, saws, an impact driver, and more. Built with DeWalt's rugged reliability, it's suited for professionals or anyone upgrading their garage setup. Normally priced closer to $1,000, this deal gives you a workshop's worth of tools for far less. Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones, new $329, old $399. Known for industry-leading noise cancellation, the XM5s are perfect for travel, work, or daily relaxation. Lightweight and comfortable, they pair superb audio quality with long battery life. With multi-point Bluetooth, you can seamlessly switch between devices. This is one of the best headphone deals right now. Coach Cassie Crossbody Bag, new $189, old $250. This structured leather crossbody blends elegance with practicality. It features multiple compartments to keep essentials organized while staying chic enough for daily wear. Coach rarely discounts its most popular bags, so this deal is a great opportunity for fashion lovers seeking timeless style at a lower cost. Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, new $150, old $250. Packed with advanced health features, this smartwatch tracks workouts, heart rate, and sleep patterns. Its sleek design complements both casual and professional looks. Seamless integration with Galaxy phones and long battery life make it a top choice for anyone looking to balance fitness and convenience. Arlo Essential Security Camera 3-pack, new $132, old $150. A practical home security bundle with crisp HD recording, night vision, and motion alerts. Easy to set up indoors or outside, these cameras help keep your family safe, normally more expensive. This set offers excellent coverage at a fraction of the cost. Dell Inspiron 15 touchscreen laptop, new $860, old $3,000. A big markdown on a versatile 15-inch laptop that balances work and play. With a touchscreen display, solid specs, and Windows 11, it's ideal for students or remote workers. A rare deep discount that makes a dependable computer far more affordable than usual. Shark Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum, new $150, old $200. A classic vacuum cleaner known for strong suction and reliability. The detachable canister makes it perfect for cleaning stairs, cars, or tight spots. For households that want dependable cleaning power without spending a fortune, this discounted price makes the Shark Navigator a no-brainer. Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer, new $115, old $200. This air fryer lets you cook 2 foods at once with separate baskets, saving time and hassle. From crispy fries to roasted chicken, results are consistently delicious. A versatile kitchen upgrade, especially for families who want quick meals without sacrificing taste. Coway AirMega AP 1512HH Purifier, new $207, old $230. This air purifier is beloved for its sleek design and effective HEPA filtration. It handles smoke, allergens, and outdoors with quiet efficiency. If you want cleaner air without the noise of cheaper models, this discounted Coway unit is a smart investment for health-conscious households. Fitbit Sense 2 Smartwatch, new $199, old $249. A smartwatch designed to monitor stress, sleep, and overall wellness. Lightweight and comfortable, it pairs with the Fitbit app for deeper health insights. For anyone balancing fitness goals with daily life, this is a reliable wearable now at a more attractive price. Hisense 55-inch QLED Fire TV, new $286, old $429. Bright colors, sharp 4K detail, and Fire TV integration make this a value-packed television. You get a premium viewing experience at an approachable cost. Whether for streaming, gaming, or sports, it's one of the best affordable big screen deals right now. Keurig K-Elite Coffee Maker, new $144, old $210. Brew hot or iced coffee with one machine that delivers consistently tasty cups. Quick and easy to use, it's perfect for busy mornings. Reliable, stylish, and compact, this Keurig is a great daily upgrade for coffee lovers everywhere. Le Creuset Dutch Oven, new $322, old $420. A kitchen classic built to last a lifetime. This enameled cast iron pot is versatile for baking, roasting, or stewing. Known for durability and beauty, it's a rare chance to score a piece of culinary history at a discount. Michael Kors Bradshaw Watch, new $138, old $295. This stainless steel watch is bold and fashionable, yet versatile enough for daily wear. It adds instant sophistication to any outfit, whether casual or formal. With this discount, you're getting a premium designer accessory without the usual price tag. Ray-Ban Aviator Sunglasses, new $139, old $151. Timeless style that never goes out of fashion. High-quality lenses and sturdy build make these aviators as practical as they are iconic. A great deal on a brand that defines classic cool. Puro Air 240 HEPA Air Purifier, new $159, old $199. Compact yet powerful, this purifier clears allergens, pet dander, and dust from smaller rooms. Quiet enough for bedrooms and effective enough for offices. A great pick for families or anyone sensitive to air quality. Adidas Ultra Boost running shoes, new $98, old $190. Renowned for comfort, cushioning, and style, these sneakers transition easily from runs to everyday wear. With their premium materials and iconic design, Ultra Boosts are worth every penny, especially on sale. Martha Stewart Tatum Swivel Chair, new $152, old $220. A chic accent chair that's as cozy as it is stylish. Ideal for a living room or reading corner, it brings Martha Stewart's design sense home. Quality upholstery at a friendlier price point makes this deal stand out. Green Vines Adirondack Chairs, set of 2, new $199, old $270. Perfect for outdoor relaxation, these weather-resistant chairs are built to last through seasons. Comfortable and classic, they bring a timeless look to your patio. Normally pricier, this set makes outdoor lounging more affordable. Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, new $65, old $165. Compact wireless earbuds with noise cancellation and rich audio. Comfortable for long listening sessions and perfect for Samsung Galaxy users. A strong deal for premium earbuds at a mid-range price. Fossil Gen 6 Smartwatch, new $179, old $249. This smartwatch offers Wear OS functionality in a classic watch design. It tracks fitness, health, and notifications while looking stylish on your wrist. A versatile wearable that doesn't sacrifice looks for smarts. North Face Men's Resolve Waterproof Jacket, new $77, old $110. Lightweight, durable, and waterproof. Everything you need in a reliable outdoor jacket. Perfect for hikes, travel, or daily commutes. With this discount, it's a solid seasonal pickup. Samsung Winfield 3 luggage set. New, $238. Old, $393. 3 durable hardshell suitcases with spinner wheels make traveling smoother. Known for quality and longevity, Samsonite luggage is a frequent flyer's best friend. This price cut makes it easier to upgrade your travel gear. Care-Roach 7-piece baking pan set. New, $35. Old, $60. Stackable and non-stick. These pans save kitchen space while delivering reliable results. Ideal for home bakers who want performance without clutter. Practical, stylish, and now more affordable than ever. Apple Pencil Pro. New, $100. Old, $129. Smooth, precise, and responsive, the Pencil Pro is essential for iPad users. Whether for sketching, note-taking, or editing, it elevates creativity. With this price cut, it's the perfect time to upgrade your iPad setup. And that's our roundup of the 30 best early deals for Amazon Prime Big Deal Days 2025. These are some of the biggest savings already live, and we'll keep an eye on more as the main event gets closer. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the biggest deals as they drop. We'd also love to hear from you. Which product from today's list caught your eye the most? Drop your pick in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.